we are given 2 points with the coordinate point M with coordinate 4 minus 1, point N with coordinate 8, 9. And we've been asked to find the distance between uh, the 2 points, MN, and also to find the coordinate of the midpoint between the line segment that join point MN. So distance is, we're going to call it D. It's going to be square root. It's going to be xn minus xm. That means the abscissa of n, the difference between the abscissa of the 2 point, square, plus yn minus ym squared. Okay? So this is equal to the square root of xn is 8 minus x4 is 4 squared plus yn is 9 minus ym is minus 1 squared. Okay? And this is equal square root of 8 minus 4 is going to be 4 squared plus 9 minus 10 squared. So this is equal, so we're going to have D equals, it's going to be square root of 16 plus 100 equals square root of 160. And square root for 116, 116 is 4 times 29. So it's going to be 2 square root of 29. So this is the distance. So we're going to call distance mn equal 2 square root of 29. Okay, so that's the answer. Now we've been asked to find the coordinate of the midpoint between point M and. So you can draw point M is going to be 4 minus 1, point N 8, 9. And then those 2 points can be joined by a line. And we've been asked to find the midpoint, that is the point in the middle here. Okay? So I call it point P, coordinate X, or I call it alpha and beta. Okay? Where to find alpha and beta. So P is the midpoint. So alpha is gonna be xm plus xn divided by 2. This is equal 4 plus 8 divided by 2 equals 6. And beta equals going to be ym plus yn divided by 2. Y is going to be 9 plus minus 1 divided by 2 equal 8 divided by 2 equal 4. So the midpoint P alpha beta equal P. Alpha is going to be is 6 and beta equal 4. Okay. And then if you verify that P is a midpoint, you can compute the distance NP and the distance Pn and show that distance NP plus distance Pn equal distance Mn. Okay. So we know distance Mn equal 2 square root of 29. Now 29. If you compute distance MP, we find equal square root of 29, and distance of Pn equals square root of 29. So we can see that distance Mn, so this gives us, this implies distance Mn equal distance m alpha plus distance, no, it's distance mp plus distance pn. So you see that distance mn, distance mn equal, so we have distance mn equal to distance mp also equal to distance pn. So you can verify after you compute the coordinate of the midpoint. So this is the answer to the question.